Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. What's up, you guys? Me and Luke here, back at again with another YouTube video. Now, this is my channel now. I'm just kidding. No, it's not. Okay, are you gonna come?
Yeah,
You're like,
I'm getting all your makeup. Chill.
I'm not wearing the makeup, but just so you know.
What the freak is that?
Why is it purple or pink?
What?
It's pink.
Okay, do you want to do like eyeshadow too?
Sure.
Actually, why am I asking you? Yeah, you're gonna do
I'm doing
eyeshadow.
all
You're
of
gonna
it.
do. Yeah, you do the intro since you're the guest.
What's up, YouTube?
Okay, hold on. Whoa, why are you filming? Stop.
Stop.
Okay, go.
What's up, YouTube? Me and Luke here, back at it again with another YouTube video with Rochelle.
This is his channel now, apparently. So.
Can you stop interrupting my intro?
What's up, guys? It's your girl Rochelle. So hold on.
If you do that.
What's up, guys? Ow, I just hit my elbow. What's up, guys? It's Rochelle, back at it again with another YouTube video. So for today's video, I have my little brother,
Luke, and I am going to do Rochelle's makeup.
Yeah, I'm really scared. Actually terrified.
I have never done anyone's makeup, and I have never had, well, I have had makeup on my face, but
I put makeup on him when he was like 4 years old, and I told him makeup only comes off of girls and not boys, and he literally started crying, and I got in trouble. So basically what I did is I put a bunch of makeup on this chair that is holding my camera up, and Luke is going to try and do my makeup. You're gonna have to do this all on your own.
okay.
You're gonna have to bake, you're gonna have to contour, you're gonna have to highlight, you're gonna have to make sure my nose looks snatched. You're gonna have to put some lipstick on, maybe add a little lip liner, we'll see.
I don't know what any of that means, but okay.
So good luck.
It's wet, really wet.
You're supposed to squeeze it out, dude. Make it damp. Whatever, I'll wipe it on here. Oops.
I feel like it's fine.
That's his shirt.
I'm gonna figure out which one I should use first. I feel
Read all of them, Luke. Read all of them,
Read
okay?
them. I feel like I'm supposed to use this one first. Cause
What does it say?
Learning, Sprimmer,
No.
base. Okay, all I know is that it says base, so I'm gonna do this
Okay, it says blurring primer.
first. There
So.
you go. That's what I said.
You're not putting it on there.
I'm supposed to or no?
Do whatever you want.
I feel like I'm not supposed to now.
Just do whatever you want.
Okay.
Holy moly, show them how much you used.
It looks like.
No, just use your hands, I guess, now.
Okay, no my pinky. Okay.
Here, I'm gonna give you some more.
Yeah. No, move your hand.
Okay, sorry.
It looks like poop on your face right now.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I
They
did.
smell weird.
It smells like water, Rochelle. I think I need a little bit more.
More?
Yeah, more.
Rub it in.
I'm trying to.
Okay. Oh my god, I feel like I have a layer of like shit on my face.
Okay, I think that's good enough, right? Your nose is filled with it. Okay.
You have to like rub it in all the way. There you go. Pat that in.
Well, heck yes, Sister Slay.
What did you say? Sister?
Slay. Yeah.
James Charles? We have a young James Charles.
What's that mean?
He's another YouTuber. He says sister.
Oh.
Well, that's where I thought you got it from.
No, I've never heard of it before.
Oh.
Okay. That's good enough. So now I have to do these ones.
Yes. Those are some other face things.
I feel like this one goes next.
Okay.
I see you always do this one, so I'm like, I feel like.
I do it next though?
What?
It's fine.
I feel like you do this one first.
Okay.
I messed it up. Whoop. Whoop. Okay. There we go.
Why did you laugh so weird?
It's in your nose.
Oh, he did a little smiley face. That's cute.
His name's Bob.
His name's Bob.
I'm just gonna pat that in. He's gonna look a little bit whiter.
Zach.
Why do you keep recording this, Zach?
This is gonna be you next. I'm gonna break out. I already know.
You are.
I don't know.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Just don't make fun of my zits because you gave them to me, so.
Now, we're running low on this one.
Okay, super low on this one, so put it on my face when you squeeze. Don't get on my shirt, please. Like, literally, like, touch my face with it.
Okay, I feel like that's good enough.
That's it? Just
Right?
one right there?
And then I'm gonna smooth
Okay.
it in, remember, right? Okay, do not move a single muscle. Thank you. Oh God.
How do you think you're doing right now, Luke?
I feel like I'm doing actually way better than I thought I was doing.
Really?
Yes, like I envisioned it.
You can pat it too. You don't have to rub. Yeah, pat. There you go.
And I envisioned it. I can't say English. I can't speak what?
I can't say English either. You envisioned it?
I envisioned it to be a lot worse.
Well, we haven't even got to the juicy parts yet, so.
I can't wait to do that whole
The
thing.
wing liner? Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't wait because I'm going to lose an eyeball, so.
I feel like we're good enough for that one, right?
Oh yeah, nice and blended. 100%. Looks great.
We're gonna get to the next part.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Muchas gracias.
Okay, bilingual king. You know what that means?
Nope.
Bilingual means you can speak more than one language. Well, bilingual means 2 languages, and then trilingual means 3 languages.
Well, I can speak 2 languages.
Stop doing that. You sound like a seal.
Well, that's what it actually is. I was like,
That's all the powder you're gonna use?
yeah, is that good or no? Or you need more?
I'm a cake face.
You
I
need
go
more.
ham
You
in
need
that
more.
thing.
You need more, don't you?
A little bit. Okay, don't put your fingers on there.
Well, I'm sorry.
You're stressing me out.
I am all in here. Yes.
Okay, that's better.
You just rub it everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, you like orange cake. That's what you say, so I'm trying to like make you feel better. Okay.
That's what I say, so you're making me feel better. I look like cake.
Yeah, isn't that good? Isn't that
No.
what you like to say?
That's what I say, but that's not good. Are you covering my zits with that?
Me?
Yeah.
Maybe.
That brings more attention to your zits.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever.
I'm just gonna wipe it off.
I look dirty, Luke. I look like I just played in the mud. You use the same brush for that one. I'm just gonna tell you.
Is this pink?
Yes. It's called blush.
Blush? Okay, yes. I know where blush goes.
You do?
Yep.
Where?
Do that? Yep. Why?
Are you sure you know where blush goes?
I think so, yeah. Okay. Ooh, little sparkles.
Ooh, I got a little sparkle action going on.
Okay, now is the little slow guy.
Be careful.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Please look what he just did.
It's everywhere on the floor.
Luke, do you know how expensive that shit is?
I'm so sorry, Rochelle. I can't believe how so I don't think we're gonna use this today.
Show them what you're doing.
I'm filling it up and then oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, turn around. Now we gotta get into, it's between the blue and like the orange or gold.
What are you feeling today? What look are you going for? More like sunset vibes or like
Ocean.
ocean? Okay.
Ocean.
Holy moly, that's a lot. All right, have fun.
Okay, close it.
My eye's twitching. Honestly, this feels good though.
Okay, next eye.
You already finished that eye?
Yeah. Wait,
Yeah, that was
did I?
fast.
Is it hurting your eye?
No, it tickles.
You look like a rainbow in that one. It's like, it looks like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Where do you see the red or the orange or the, what is this?
We're done for that part. Now we gotta deal with,
We're ready for a night out on the town. Did I just elbow
Yeah.
you? You're doing wing liner now?
yeah.
Oh, Jesus, Lord have mercy.
Wait, I don't think I should do it first.
No, do it.
I think I should do this one first though.
Show them what you were holding. You think you should do that first before you do the wing liner?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, close it.
What on earth is that? Ow, my foot fell asleep. My foot fell asleep. My
Which
foot,
one?
my
Which
foot, my
one?
foot.
That
This one,
one?
this one, this one. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Oh, no, no, no. Hey, don't do that. That's gonna hurt.
This is kind of scary. Okay. There we
Thank
go.
you. I love hearing my makeup scary. Okay, you just touched my eyebrow with that.
You did?
Ooh, you're really going on the inner eye. You're really getting close to my eyeball.
Okay, now I gotta do this little thing where I go.
Under my eye?
Yeah, that's how the other eye looks like, right?
I look like I just got out of prison and I murdered somebody. That looks like a teardrop.
Why do you keep blinking your eye?
I'm scared. What?
Does it look good?
Good is an understatement. Honestly, this is the best work I've ever seen. Oh my god.
Here we go. The scary one.
Oh my gosh, I have to keep my eyes open for this and I'm really scared. Do
You have
not
to
poke
keep
my
your
eyeball,
eye.
please.
You have to keep your eye up. No, just close it. Just close it.
I had to keep it open for this,
No,
Luke.
you don't. Close it, Rochelle. Because I might hit your eyeball, and I do not want you to be mad at me. Close it. No, I'm not. This is not even funny anymore. Close your eyeball.
Okay, okay.
Close it.
Oh yeah, that's my eyelid.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh. You wheeze like an old man. It's really funny. Breathe.
This one's actually a lot better than.
I still feel that's my nose.
I do so.
Ah. You're not even trying.
I'm trying actually.
I can't open this eye.
Why
I think you glued it shut.
I'm trying to open it.
My eyelashes are, my eyes watering. So last thing,
Okay, I just got to see what these all look like.
the
Okay.
color is on the back.
Oh, Ozzy, I know I've been to the Schwartz Mom before.
Oh, okay, my bad. Whoa.
Should I do 95? No,
Sure.
905. G5.
What did you say? 955? Is that what you said? 955, you weirdo. Don't do this one.
I'm gonna do this one, Rochelle. This one is like the
Don't-
red one.
yeah, okay.
The classic red one.
Okay. You wheeze. This looks horrible. Spit on me.
You look.
Oh my gosh. How do I look, Mom?
Oh my gosh, you look
Ah, thanks, Mom. Love that. Thank you very much. This is your son's work.
Did you even try?
Literally, what is this?
Oh my gosh.
If you had to rate this makeup look on a scale of 1 to amazing, what would you rate it?
I would raise it amazing.
You would raise it? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos with Lukey Boy, comment down below. I'll see you in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scouts. A-Town down. Mwah.
Bye. Her face looks weird.